Hi, the last time we spoke about step 1, start with mindset. Now let's move on to step 2, commit to it. You'll see magical things start to take shape and you'll wish you had started earlier. Spend time daily on those things you want to do. There is no partial commitment, it's always a yes or a no. So either do it or don't. But don't complain about it because you have made that choice. Our next everything person got me my first job. Let's hear what she has to say about being an everything person.
Hi Jonathan, thank you for having me on your channel and believing that I'm an everything person. I actually loved the concept. I didn't believe I was one until you threw light on the subject, and thank you for the self-realization. I've been in the corporate world now for 18 years. Initially started off with a corporate job, then I started off my own business, and after running it successfully for 6 years, I actually moved back into a job or into the corporate role. And a lot of people ask me why I took that decision, but there were a lot of things that I felt I was not able to do when I was self-employed, which I could do when I was in a proper job, and I decided to take that leap of faith, and it worked out very well for me. And the best part about my job that I do right now is philanthropy, and I love it to the core. I work for about 10 hours a day. I still practice dancing on weekends. I've managed to take a couple of courses in digital marketing. I travel all by myself at times. I even have a travel blog, so I found the actual time to pursue my passion of writing, because that is something I'm extremely passionate about. I've also authored 2 books, one which is a charity project called Scales of Life. It's an educational book. The other one that I have authored is a book which is going to be launched now in October. It's called Paving the Highway to Success from Home. It gives you all the tips, both for organizations and individuals, on how to make work from home successful. I think life throws up many challenges. Very often we have fears and insecurities that stand in our way. We believe we've crossed a particular age in life, or we feel that we've risen to a particular position, now we can't go back. But all that is not true in reality. That's just our mind and the way it actually thinks. But I believe being disciplined, I believe in being well planned. I think it's very important to be flexible and adaptive. Life requires a lot of perseverance, a lot of commitment, but most of all, it requires a lot of passionate about, you have to be passionate about what you believe in or what your beliefs are. So I would say, don't worry about falling down. Don't worry about making changes in life. Go ahead and do all those things that you wanted to do. Live your dreams as an everything person, because that is something you will enjoy and cherish the most.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you for the next episode.